Spring has sprung, and with warmer weather comes home repairs. Unfortunately, shady contractors are out there looking for homeowners in the market for spring repairs. Contractor fraud and home improvement scams can cost homeowners thousands of dollars and leave them with shoddy workmanship, unfinished projects, or even damage to their homes. Scammers often target older adults, but anyone can fall victim to these scams. Here are 3 things to know to stay safe from a home improvement ripoff. First, shop around. Don't settle for the first contractor you encounter. Get multiple estimates and ask for references before hiring anyone. Next, never pay the upfront costs. Reputable contractors typically require a deposit, but not the full amount prior to starting the job. And last, resist responding to a solicitation at your door, on your phone, or online. Be proactive in your search for a reputable contractor. Be a fraud fighter. If you can spot a scam, you can stop a scam.